Hey, I just found a helicopter that works on DayZ. Some idiot parked it at the power plant in Electro. Just thought I'd take it for a spin. So anyway, I have no idea where I'm headed. I just thought I'd take the helicopter for a spin. So let me get high enough so I can set a map marker on my map without this killing me, hopefully. Helps if I hold the Q key to gain altitude. Okay, I now have set a map marker, so now I can actually go somewhere. I'm so happy they added helicopters back in. I started playing DayZ just after the update after they took it out, so this is the first time flying a helicopter in DayZ. I've flown a heap on single player and just not in multiplayer before, so yeah, wish me luck. Oh god, sorry for that glitch, that graphics glitch just then. I found a way to fix it, but that involved me typing, and if I type I'll probably crash and burn. So, yeah. Sorry for this, I'm just trying to get rid of this graphics glitch. As you can see, there's a crashed chopper down there with stuff on it. But I'm in a chopper, so I might as well not land, try to take it and risk getting killed. Sorry about that, I can't see anything there. So, yeah, there we go. I feel like checking out that crash chopper. Oh, I'm sorry if you can hear my voice twice. I accidentally binded the torque key from Fraps onto the torque key in game. So, if you can hear me twice, sorry about that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are starting our descent onto this chopper. And we are down successfully. Oh, my favourite guns on this chopper, an M14 AIM. I need to do a quick drop this gun and take that gun so I can get my favourite gun, then we can go. Be useful if I can find it. No, it's got no mags for it, but oh well. My favourite gun, a helicopter, what else could you ask for? Alright, let's get out of here. I don't know how long this video is at the moment, so I'm just going to take off, find a safe place to land, get out, save the chopper and take off. Hopefully before these zombies destroy my chopper. Okay, now I'm just heading to some random location where I can get out and successfully save this helicopter. So hopefully next time I log on the server I'll have it. That'd be great. should not have just shown you the server IP. That could be bad. In which case I'm picking a random spot now just in case people will watch this video lucky enough to pause it on that time and start heading to where I parked the chopper. Okay, I might end this video here, otherwise it's going to take up like 6 gigs or something. Alright, well, this has been me, Michael, from The Creepsters. Hope you have a great day, night, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. Well, goodbye.